pencils ready. We're gonna be doing Velma from Scooby-Doo. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna have her head up here and then do part of her body right here. So to start with, we're gonna draw a letter U with a kind of a wiggly side. Well, actually this would be like an N. So it's gonna have like a little hook here, come up, come back down. Then we're gonna bring this around, and then we're gonna draw her little Velma Dinkley's face with a letter V. There we go. And we're gonna get her square glasses on here. There we go. We're gonna draw two squarish, rectangle-ish kind of shapes with a little N in the middle. And we're gonna draw some little bleeps out there. And now we know where her bangs go. There we go. We'll draw the hair coming down. There's no ears on Velma. And then Velma has some little jinky eyeballs. And we're gonna draw them kind of looking down to the corner, and we're gonna leave some white in them. And then they're gonna have a little thing on each side like that. And Velma doesn't really have eyebrows because I think they're covered with her glasses. And then she's gonna have some little nostrils right there. And then for her mouth, it's gonna come down and back up, so it looks like kind of a W, a little line on each side. And then we're gonna draw a little line at the bottom, like so. And there is Velma's head. Excellent work. We're gonna draw a little suggestion of a neck there. And then we're gonna come around the neck like this for her turtleneck. Okay, and then we're gonna come back across, and you can tell my lines are really not straight because we're drawing clothes and it's like a sweater. Velma wears that orange sweater all the time. Okay, so now we're gonna draw Velma's waist. Okay, so Velma's waist is gonna be kind of lined up with the side of her head. So I'm gonna drop down here a little ways, and I'm just gonna draw like a little smushed letter C, or like a letter V. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna draw a little curvy line like so. And then I'm gonna come out here, and I'm gonna draw the pleats in Velma's wonderful skirt. I feel sorry for the Mystery Machine and all of these characters. They always wear the same clothes. I would get tired of the same clothes. Okay, then we've got some Jinky's legs. There we go. And then we don't see her socks because they're just below there. All right, so now we're gonna draw her arms. Okay, so for her arms, we're gonna draw a letter V like so. And we're gonna make this symmetrical. So we'll do another letter V over there. And then we're gonna come up here, come down, come around really soft like. Then we're gonna have a little line here, her cuff of her whatchamacallit sweater. All right, and we'll kind of bring this up here like that. And then she's got her hands on her hips because she's always thinking about things. And so we'll draw a couple lines down. Now the top line's gonna go all the way down. This line's gonna stop there. And we're gonna draw some little fingers to start, a little thumb, and then we're gonna draw some fingers. There we go. Now we're gonna draw the other side. So we're gonna come up, come down, and around. Then we're gonna draw a line down. I'm gonna come down like so. And again, we're gonna have this hand on her hip. Little thumb. 1, 2, 3. And there is Velma. Oh my goodness, Velma. Jinkies! All right, we'll put a little thing of where her sweater folds and maybe put some little knee lines in. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed drawing Velma with me, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.